New KMBC9 Chronicle is about the use and misuse of full-body restraint systems by law enforcement. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener showing us the impact of Othel Moore Jr.'s case in Jefferson City. And we want to warn you tonight, the video you're about to see can be disturbing.
He's smiling, and I'm not. It just shows this is like our personality in the picture.
Oriel and Othel Moore were always together growing up, the youngest siblings in their family.
He was definitely a big brother. I don't know, he was my everything. I looked up to him. And when he went to prison, I don't think either one of us really understood that he was going to be gone that long.
Othel was serving a 30-year sentence on a range of charges.
He wanted to do things in life like everybody else did. He looked forward to the future like everybody else did, especially since he was there for so long.
Then, during a surprise search by guards at the Jefferson City Correctional Center, Othel was pepper sprayed, handcuffed, and put into a full-body restraint system called a wrap while wearing a spit hood and a rubber helmet.
It's horrifying to imagine what he must have been going through and the terror that he must have been feeling.
For 23 minutes, Othel Moore remained in that wrap system, struggling to breathe until he stops moving.
I watched the life leave his body.
Nearly 10 minutes after Othel's last movement, a nurse came to check on him.
What did he need in those moments, those last moments?
Somebody with a heart, somebody that cared about people, just period.
KMBC Channel 9. Monday in Jefferson City, we asked the sergeant on duty that day for her reaction.
And I wanted to see if you had anything to say to Othel Moore's family.
I do not at this time. You can speak to my attorney, Adam Dowling.
What would you recommend to other law enforcement using full-body restraints?
No comment.
That former sergeant and two other former Missouri corrections officers are charged with second-degree murder for the death of Othel Moore Jr. We learned at the Cole County Courthouse on Monday their cases will continue to move through the courts toward trial. In Jefferson City, Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
Now, a nationwide investigation found more than 100 people have died or were injured in full-body restraints. You can see our latest KMBC 9 Chronicle Restrained Sunday, April 27th at 9 p.m. over on KMBC 9.